Moses tells the people, make your choice because it will be a matter of life or death. Actually, the choice that Moses presented is the covenant with God that is symbolized by the tablets that he brings to the people, and inside the tablets are the tenets of the covenant, the Ten Commandments that summarizes the covenant. And he says, if you do according to the things that are written here, it will give you life. But if not, you will be cursed. That is exactly why the covenant for them is the centering of life that makes God as the number one of their lives, the priority of their life. They are called chosen people precisely because God chose them, not because they are great, but simply because God is gracious. And there you will realize that Moses is telling the people, if you want to be part of God's chosen ones, then obey the covenant.